Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Murrells Inlet at the Wicked Tuna for their half-price sushi for happy hour. Let's go check it out.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
So we're down here at the Wicked Tuna on a Friday night for their happy hour. DJ and Matt told us that they were going to fix it up right. Let's make sure we're on green for go, and we are. Okay, while we're sitting here waiting, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Wicked Tuna. So Wicked Tuna has indoor and an outdoor covered patio seating. So you can sit right there on the balcony where there's no shade, or you can sit in the shaded area that is the covered patio. And there's also one behind me. So there's plenty of seating, indoor, outdoor, and patio seating.
And the best thing is you're right here beside the marina, so you can see the boats coming and going.
That is right. And the Tuna Shack right down below us always has a live band every Friday and Saturday night. So you might want to check that out as well. And they're very busy. As you can see, Matt's down there making some drinks. They're very busy tonight. DJ's on the bar. And this place is packed. And just to let you ladies know that if you do freeze whenever you come into a restaurant, you might want to bring a light jacket, especially those who get sunburned. So we're going to try their sushi. Remember, we were going to...
And they're having half-price sushi from 4 to 7.
Monday through Friday. We'll verify that just to make sure that it's right. We're going to try the whole line of sushi rolls. I can't even talk.
We're going to try several of these sushis.
Well, we're going to get the whole line, right?
You want the whole line on this side?
Yes.
Sure.
All right.
Also, they gave us 1,000 menus, but here's extra cocktail menu right here, like the black ginger, the wicked punch, the sake, and then on this side, you got your red wines, your white rosé, and your kids' wines. Just kidding, kids' menu.
Oh, and just let you know that the signature cocktails are $1 off, so that's something good to know too as well. And they have $2 off the wines for happy hour.
So let me get this straight.
Okay,
They have half-price sushi,
that's right.
and they have $1 off other stuff.
Yes, $1 off the signature cocktails.
So this may be the best happy hour in Murrells Inlet.
And here is the drink happy hours. They got your house liquors, wine, and I think we even did a video on their happy hour list.
Now, if you're interested in dinner, they do have dinner, and here's their menu. And we may get dinner, but we don't know, but we know we're getting the sushi.
Just to let you know that happy hour is only in the bar area. So if you do come in here, these specials that they have are only available in the bar area.
Now, what'd you say this was?
A spicy Bloody Mary, extra hot. And cheers to happy hour.
a look at the other side of the marina. Looks like the band's about to start up.
I do have to say something, brag a little bit. These guys are working very hard, and it is a busy Friday night, and I promise you, they are slinging the drinks out left and right. So don't think just because you see it's busy on a Friday night that, you know, you're not going to get service. They have the two managers are even out here working hard. So
that's the pork gyozas.
And that looks absolutely
right.
delicious.
That is so for happy hour. That is actually $6 right here.
That's not bad. Pork gyozas is something that Beatbox tried during the taste of Murrells Inlet, and he fell in love with it, didn't you, Beatbox?
I did.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna cut into this and show it to you. Look at there. Doesn't that look good?
Now this is California.
California, spicy crab, spicy tuna, avocado, and cucumber. All right, Brayton, this is for you. So, and y'all all asked us to kind of like extend our palates and give you some seafood. This is as close as we can get.
Right here at the Wicked Tuna at the Marsh Walk in Murrells Inlet.
That's right. All right, so here we go. Look at
Now,
this.
what's that, the California?
The California roll.
Oh my, look at that.
Ooh.
Right, I'm going to get something to eat too, so we'll tell you how it is.
So, Beatbox, you can correct me if I'm wrong. If you want to be safe and it's your first time trying the sushi, I would definitely go with the California roll. And
If it's your first time.
If it's your first time.
Yeah.
California roll like we did. Our
California roll right here.
Yes.
And that's a cucumber roll.
And Beatbox loves the avocado, so
Right.
he loved that. I personally love spicy stuff, as you can tell, with the Bloody Marys and the jalapeno margaritas that I order all the time. I love the spicy tuna. That is my favorite.
Now this is avocado. It's good.
Okay. And which one do you like the best, Beatbox? The spicy tuna
I
also?
like a spicy too. I mean, I like this spicy.
Yes.
Oh, you better cut it.
There you go. That is my favorite. That's my winner.
That's your winner chicken dinner?
That's it. Well, there you have it. That was a look at the happy hour right here at the Wicked Tuna. So what'd you think, Beatbox?
Thought it was absolutely delicious. I'm not really used to sushi, but I had my fill today. Even have some leftovers, and I thought it was absolutely great.
I liked it. And like I said, my favorite was the spicy tuna. So
Yeah.
there you go.
I think that was my favorite too.
So comment below on which one of those sushis you like, and maybe we'll have to try a different one if there's another one that you like that we didn't try tonight.
Right. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
That's right. And we'll see you in the next video.
Peace out.
Girl Scout.
All right. So, like she said, we're empty.
Low sodium.
Oh,
Yeah.
low sodium.
We're going with the low sodium.
Oh my God, there's that wasabi right
Now
there.
that
Look.
is my favorite. Like this?
Real little celery, yeah.
Like this right here?
Yeah. Good.
Beatbox, that's a cucumber.
What I did here is I turned the plate around so that wasabi would be on her side, because I will accidentally think that it's
Guacamole.
guacamole, and I will shove it in my mouth and I will die. This may be the best happy hour in Murrells Inlet.
We'll see, won't we?